Hey, hey, new cruisers. This is your girl Victoria with Victoria's Getaways, and I'm here with your tips today for first-time cruises. It's going to be a mini series, so I have a total of 5 different videos and different tips. So today's tip is to, number 1, pack smart and pack light. Although that it really is a good tip, but I will let you know ahead of time that the cruise lines do have different theme nights. Like there's elegant nights in the main dining, and there is also different theme nights for like different parties that the cruise line is having. Like some cruise line have a pirate party, some have like an 80s or 70s type of party. So it just honestly depends on which ship. Some might even have like a white night, like the cruise I went on had a white night, and they also had a like 70s 80s type of party. So it's best to kind of know that. But if you work with me as your travel agent, I definitely have you prepared to know how many elegant nights you have and what type of specific parties to that cruise line that will be happening while you're on your vacation. So if you're on a shorter trip, of course you don't really need to pack that much, but just pack the outfits for your elegant night again and the parties that's going on. And they are a lot of fun, so I definitely suggest you go to the parties on the ship. You will have a lot of fun, you'll meet a lot of people, and if you are looking for your next trip, then definitely hit me up. I'm here to help you book your next cruise. Okay, so when you're ready to book your next cruise, definitely give me a call. You can reach me here on TikTok, or you can visit my website, victoriasgetaways.com, VICTORIASGETAWAYS.com, and connect with me, as well as comment below for me what cruise destination would you like to go to in 2024. I can't wait to see where you guys want to go this year. I'm so happy to work with you, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's tip. Thanks.